focused feature. For too many women, credit feels complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Your credit profile is your financial passport. It tells lenders, investors, and partners that you're ready for growth. And that's why a credit readiness snapshot session is a game changer. It is a simple strategic review that helps you understand your credit position, identify what's standing between you and funding, build a clear, personalized plan to strengthen your credit profile, position yourself to access capital with confidence. Because when you know your numbers, you move differently. You negotiate better. You attract opportunities faster. It's not just about credit, it's about confidence, clarity, and control. So let's get you funded and focused.